Alright, we're just going to start with hood and side panel disassembly. Basically just pop off both panels first, rotate the two clips, pull the side panel off, unplug the wire harness, rotate both clips, quarter turn, then it's T30 Torx at the bottom there to loosen up the front screw that holds the hood tight to the airbox. And you simply pull the hood off. Now that the hood's been removed, we can access the exhaust system, so we're going to remove the pipe. Loosen up the pipe sensor first. That monitors your exhaust temperature inside the pipe. There's the rear hold down spring. I got the 4 manifold springs. If you look on our website, we do have the long spring pullers that you can use to get that bottom one off. That'll actually, you push it instead of pull it. Slide the pipe out to the side. We'll move to the muffler. Here's the front hold down spring. And the back hold down spring. Then you can take that heavy beast of a muffler out of there. Perfect time to replace it with one of our titanium ones. Get rid of all that weight. That thing's 20 pounds. Ours is only about 3. Now we're going to work on the seat and shroud removal. It's just a T25 Torx on each side of the seat or tunnel to hold the seat on. See, the seat has basically a tongue and groove on the side and the front, and has Velcro on the bottom to hold it in place. There's the 4 screws on the spars to hold the shroud into place. And right above the footwell on each side, there's 2 more. All right, to remove the shroud, just take the gas cap off. And then if yours has the tether, that red clip pops down with the small screwdriver. And then your tether's unplugged. Now it's removed. If you're getting in greater detail, you obviously remove the recoil rope. But for now, we'll just set it up to the side. All right, to get the fuel line off, you can go ahead, Brady. There's the blue clips, one on each side. You just want to pinch them together, and then you can pop that fuel line off of the fuel pump. All right, next to remove the tank here, we're just gonna cut the zip tie for the breather line. And then loosen up the bolts for the spars. What size is that, Brady?
10.
10 millimeter bolts. And once the spars are removed, you want to make sure you unhook the fuel pump from the harness. And then you can remove the tank. So you can see the tank came off quite easily, seat and gas tank. And it just makes things so much easier to work on because now you got full access. You can see the where the fuel injectors go on the back, the cylinders there on these C-Tech motors. If you're going to be changing the head to do like one of our billet cylinder heads, or doing big bore kit and such, those are just some easy steps to access everything in order to go deeper into the motor package.